Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on eclistudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter geometric measurement. The lessons we're going to cover today are: find the area or missing side length of a rectangle, perimeter, area of complex figures, area between two rectangles. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 4 math. Chapter we are on right now is geometric measurement. Let's just start with the lesson, that is find the area or missing side length of a rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? You are given the rectangle. Rectangle has the opposite side lengths equal in measurement. So you have to do length time width. You have to do 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. So the area of the rectangle is 20. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the area of the rectangle? That is length time width. So 5 is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 10. What is the area of the rectangle, which is the correct option? You have to do length time width. So 5 times 2 is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area of the rectangle? That is 4 times 3 is 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area of the rectangle? Five times four equals area of the rectangle is length times width. So that is 5 times 4 equals 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area of the rectangle? That is 3 times 2. The correct option is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area of rectangle? Four times 5 is 28. Is option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area of rectangle? Which is the correct option? That is 4 times 2 equals 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. What is the area of rectangle? 3 times 4, which is the correct option? Twelve, it is option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area of rectangle? That is 4 times 2, 8. It is very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is perimeter. What is the perimeter? So basically the perimeter is sum of all the side lengths. Whatever shape it is, you need to calculate the perimeter, you need to add all the side lengths. So we have to calculate the side length here also. You can find using the coordinates, so you can simply count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. The side length here is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The side length here is 4. 4 and 4. That is a square, right? So sum of all the side lengths is the parent equals sum of all the side lengths. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is 16. Option number. So that is 16. Let's just start with the test questions. What is parameter? Which is the correct option? The side length is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a square. So which is the correct option? Very good. 16, it is option number 2 is the correct option. What is the parameter? What is the parameter? Which is the correct option? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that is 28. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. What is the parameter? The correct option is 22. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. What is the pattern? 34, it is option number one is the correct option. What is the parameter, which is the correct option? That is 14. Option number two is the correct option. What is the parameter, which is the correct option? The correct option is 18. Option number two is the correct option. Very good. What is the parameter? That is 24. Option number two is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is area of complex figures. What is the area of figure? Let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial by yourself later today. What is the area of a figure? When you have a complex figure like this, you have to divide the figure into smaller portions. Now we can have a rectangle and a square. Hold on. We have now a rectangle and a square. So we can calculate the area of rectangle and square easily. So the square has all sides equal in measurement. So the area of the square is, no, the area of the square is side times side, that is 4. And the area of the rectangle is side times side, that is 5 times 4 equals 20. You need to add the area of both the shapes, that is 24. The correct option is 24. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, let's just move on to the next one. Okay, let's just, I think that's the one we just did, but I forgot to select the answer. 24 it is. What is the area of the figure? So let's just divide the figure into two parts and calculate the area. So 6 times 4, that is a rectangle, that is 24. And this is also a rectangle, that is 8 times 2, that is 16. So 24 plus 16 makes, the correct option is 40. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area of the figure? So divide the figure into smaller figures and then you can calculate the, which is the correct option. That is 9 times 9 is 81 and 8 times 3 is 24. So when you add, that makes 105. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. What is the area of the figure? Okay, so let's just divide the figure into smaller figures, right? 4 times 4 is 16. 7 times 9 is 63. So which is the correct option? That is 79. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area? The correct option is, which is the, yes, that is 78. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 135. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself as a total. Let me just move to next lesson. The next lesson is area between two rectangles. Is the area of the shaded region? Let's just start with the test questions. What is the area of the shaded region? So basically, you can see this. We have a wall and a window inside. You need to calculate the window. So what you have to do, you have to calculate the area of the wall and area of the window and subtract the area of the window out of the area of wall. So area of the wall is 6 times by 30 days. And area of the window is 1 times 2 is 2. So 30 minus 2, the area of the wall minus the area of the window. 30 minus 2 is 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 28. Option 2 is the correct option. What is the area of the shaded region? So the area of the color, like area of the outer square is 6 times 6, that is 36. The area of the inner one is 4. So then the area of the colored portion is 32. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area of the shaded region, which is the correct option? Mm, the area of the outer square rectangle is 8 times 5, that is 40. And then the area of the inner one is 3 times 2, that is 6. So 40 minus 6 is that is 34. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the area of the shaded region? That is 3 times 3 is 9. And the area of the outer one is 9 times 9 is 81. That is 34. Option number 1 is the correct option. 51 minus 9 is 72, not 34. What is the area of the shaded region? That is 32. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area of the shaded region? Forty it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we are working on is geometric measurement, and the lessons we have covered today are find the area of missing side length of a rectangle, perimeter, area of complex figures, and area between two rectangles. Please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and concerns if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.